Hello students, I am Sumathi. I am working in G.K.Jain school. Today I teach the lesson for 7th standard social science. Lesson, the interior of the earth. The earth interior is very odd. Why? Because these are the things. The innermost layer of the earth called the core. The core has two parts, the outer core and inner core. The central core has very high temperature and pressure. So, the interior of the earth is very hot. Now, we will see the layers of the earth. Layers of the earth. There are 3 layers of the earth. Number 1 crust, number 2 mantle, number 3 core. Crust. Crust is the outer layer of the earth. Skin of the earth. It ranges 5 to 30 kilometers. It can be classified into 2 parts, continental crust and oceanic crust. It's called elements Sial, Si, silica, Al, aluminium. Sial is the upper part of the crust. Granite rocks and forms continent. Now, second one is mantle. Mantle is the interior part of the beneath the crust. Interior part beneath the crust is called mantle. It can be classified into silica and magnesium, Si and Mg. Sima, lower part of the earth crust. Rocks are molten, is called magma. Continuous zone of denser ballastic or rocks forming ocean floor. This is the difference between the Sial and Sima. Sial is the granite rocks and forms continent. Sima is continuous zone of denser blastic rocks forming ocean floor. Now the third one is core. The core is the innermost layer of the earth and hottest layer of the earth. So interior is very hot. Solid inner core and liquid inner core. Core can be classified 2 types, solid and liquid. Nickel, Na is the inner core. Then iron is the outer core. Inner core and outer core. Now, the central core has very high temperature and pressure. So, this reason interior of the earth is very hot. Now, we will move on to earthquake. What is earthquake? A sudden movement of the portion of the earth crust which produces a shaking or trembling is known as an earthquake. Earthquake generally caused by the sudden vibrations in the earth crust. The point of origin of an earthquake is called epicenter. The earthquake waves are recorded by an instrument known as seismograph. Now we know volcanoes. What is volcano? The term volcano is derived from the Latin term volcan. A volcano is a vent or an opening on the surface of the earth crust. Types of volcanoes. Volcanoes based on shapes and types. There are 3 types: active volcano, dormant volcano and extinct volcano. Active volcano. What is active volcano? Volcanoes that erupt frequently are called active volcano. Example, Mount St. Helens and US. Then second one is dormant volcano. What is dormant volcano? Volcanoes have no sign of activity. Form many years, no activity. It is called also sleeping volcanoes. Example, Mount Fuji, Japan. Next one is, third one is extinct volcano. The top of the extinct volcano mountains have been eroded. Example, Mount Kilimanjaro, Tanzania. Then parts of the volcanoes: ash cloud, ash fall, vent, side vent, magma chamber, crater, lava flow, etc. These are the parts of the volcanoes. So there are three major zones of activity, volcanic activities in the world. What are the three major zones? We will see now. The Circum-Pacific Belt, the Mid-Continental Belt, third one is the Mid-Atlantic Belt. Now, earthquake and volcanoes are useful to understand the earth interior. Thank you, student.